If the person that you're currently talking to or the person that you were in a relationship does this one thing, you need to walk away. Sometimes when we really like somebody, we tend to make excuses for their behavior. But in reality, we need to start seeing people for who they are, for what they show us. So if your partner does this one thing, you need to walk away, and I gotta let y'all know I'm your big brother Russ. When you try to communicate with your partner or the person that you're talking to about something that bothered you, do they try to understand you or do they make you feel like you're overreacting? Because if every time you try to communicate with your partner, they try to turn it on you or make you feel like you're tripping, that's not communication, that's manipulation. A relationship will only work out if you have a safe space to communicate with your partner. And even if it's something small that bothered you, your partner should never make you feel like you're overreacting. Your feelings should always be valid. So if you realize that you don't have a safe space to communicate with your partner, instead of continuously making excuses for this person, you need to realize that they are who they are from their actions that they show you, and you need to walk away.